आईलैंडर्स के लिए एक खुशखबरी। अब सर्जरीज के लिए नहीं जाना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को, आइलैंड से बाहर नहीं करना पड़ेगा ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च, क्योंकि अब अपोलो क्लिनिक 11 चरमा में आ चुका है मॉड्यूलर ओटी और आईसीयू फैसिलिटीज, जहां पर सारी सर्जरीज एंड ट्रीटमेंट अवेलेबल हैं। अब सर्जरीज के लिए पोर्ट ब्लेयर और चेन्नई के डॉक्टर्स रहेंगे आपके लिए, तो फिर घर से इतनी दूर क्यों जाए।
नमस्ते। अ, हम सब जानते हैं जो आरजीकर हॉस्पिटल कोलकाता में जो हुआ, जो हमारे सगी बहन के साथ जो हुआ था, वो बहुत गंदी बात है और बहुत अफसोस भरा बात है। और उसके बाद में जो एक्शंस लेना चाहिए था, मतलब उसके बाद जो हुआ था, उसके बाद जो मॉब अटैक हुआ था, दिस इज अदर डिफरेंस फॉर बोथ इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी एंड इंडियन गवर्नमेंट। Okay? This is something which should have never happened. Okay? But even after the incident, such a big such a big incident is happening, and still the mobs are attacking, and we couldn't do anything regarding that issue. This is such a bad thing. Okay? So, like now, our fellow doctors are protesting actually all over the India and even through the world. They are protesting. Okay, and we are joining our hands for that. And I also request all my fellow doctors as well as other non-government organizations and the general public to join the hand and do some protest against this tyrant behavior. And the person who has done this, who has caused such a pain and devastation to that woman, should be hanged. This is my humble request for my fellow Indians. And on behalf of Apollo Clinic, we are conducting only the emergency treatment. We are open only the emergency room, and all the non-urgent OPD basis has been stopped for the next 24 hours on behalf of us and on behalf of the Indian Medical Association. And this will be going on, and we give our full support for the protest.
आप सबको जैसे ही पता है कि डॉक्टर मौमिता देवनाथ के साथ जो हुआ था आरजीकर में, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए था। द थिंग इज कि us being in this profession, we know कि we don't have proper place to rest. In this hospital we do, but in most places we don't. तो वहाँ पे उनके पास एक प्रॉपर रेस्ट करने के लिए रूम ही नहीं था, which is why she went into the seminar room. If we had a proper place to rest, then nobody would have gone there. We know कि we can't change the society in one go, but the thing is कि हम लोग जो अपने लिए proper safety measures चाहते हैं, we want that basic things to be there. बस उतना ही चाहिए था. And इस protest का main reason यही है कि women safety in their workplace वो मिलना चाहिए हमें, and that's why we are protesting. Basic एक safe room जहाँ पे हम rest कर सके, and a safe environment to work in. अब after this episode जो हुआ है, even our parents are very scared, and even they are saying कि you should not do night duty. So that will restrict us, and we don't want to be restricted as an environment में. Because of these people, we don't want limitations. We want to be free, to be able to do, to be able to achieve as same as our male counterparts. So वो तभी होगा when we have a safe place to work in. That's all we want.
Another one thing I want to say is like after this incident, they are saying like girls should do this, they should have been like this. But why isn't the society taking like the circumstance shouldn't have occurred? Why aren't they just blaming the girl for that? She didn't do anything wrong. She was on her duty. Since the facilities were not provided, she went to her seminar hall and it was done. Since it is like we are in a safe setup here, but this is not the same which happens for all the girls who are working, like even in rural places. there shouldn't be a discrimination like male, female, or anything. We are doctors, so we want to be treated as doctors, not like since the girl was wearing this happened. We are doctors, so treat us as doctors and give us the respect and how it should go on. It should be at least after this we see like some change in the uh, democracy, like even the political leaders, like some change happens because as Indian society, you know how we bring up girls. So from our families also, they are a bit scared, like how will you do these duties and everything. Obviously, they will have, but the society should be in such a manner that we should be free to send our girls wherever and whatever they want to achieve. So that's what we need.
Today, Apollo is open just for emergency services, and all non-essential services have been suspended according to the IMA.
मेरा नाम प्रिया है, मैं यहीं पोर्ट ब्लेयर से बिलोंग करती हूँ। मैं अभी कुछ 20 डेज़ पहले यहाँ का गैराचर में अपोलो हॉस्पिटल आई थी। तो मुझे 15 साल से मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम था, उसको बोलते हैं क्रॉनिक आर्टिकेरिया, एलर्जी का प्रॉब्लम है। ये प्रॉब्लम मतलब मेरा लाइफ को एकदम से स्पॉइल कर दिया था, मतलब मेरा जीने का मन ही हट गया था ये, क्योंकि मैंने ये प्रॉब्लम को लेके हॉस्पिटल बैंगलोर, फिर मैंने केरला, फिर चेन्नई हॉस्पिटल, मैंने हर जगह पे दिखाया, लेकिन मुझे इसका ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिला था। मैंने भी मतलब छोड़ दिया था कि अब लिवोसिट्राजिन खा के मुझे जीना है। डेली लिवोसिट्राजिन मुझे लेना रहता था। अगर मैं एक दिन भी मिस करूँ, मेरे बॉडी पे पूरा हाइट्स आ जाता था, मेरा लिप स्वेलिंग हो जाता था, मेरा आई स्वेलिंग हो जाता था। फिर जब ये छोटा सा हैंड पेन के लिए मैं सर के पास आई, डॉक्टर हितेश कुमार, इन्होंने मुझे इंजेक्शन दिया और कुछ मेडिसिन दिए। ये एक मैजिक के जैसे काम कर गया, मतलब 20 डेज का मेडिसिन से उससे मैं एकदम ठीक हो गई हूँ। मतलब अपोलो हॉस्पिटल मेरे लिए तो मतलब एक वरदान बोल सकती हूँ और कुछ नहीं।